he say, man, they say you were kicking with the GDs and shit on the street. I was like, bro, I ain't GD, my dad is GD though. Ooh. So he was like, man, you gotta get him up with me about that shit. Get him up mean you gotta fight. In Memphis, that's them fighting word. Get him up. Man, you gotta get him up, man. You fucking with the folks on the town to be in this cell. So I said, man, I ain't gotta be in your cell, nigga. He said, well, you gonna have to fight to get past me. I jumped down off the top bunk. I told Lil' Kevin, I said, man, I ain't took off on my motherfucking ass. Lil' Kevin took straight off on my motherfucking ass. I'm on the street used to dealing with pistols and this, that, and third. He took straight off. It wasn't nothing to talk about. I swear to God, I swear for cheese and crackers, he took straight the fuck off. He took straight the fuck off. As soon as I said the shit out of my I ain't never been boom, 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 boom. It wasn't nothing to talk about. He took straight the fuck off. Bamboozled. I ain't never, ever in my life had no shit like this happen to me. I was starting to get so mad. I grabbed his neck with both my hands. I'm trying to squeeze this bitch's tongue. I'm trying to kill this bitch. But while I'm doing it, I got my head down. Choking him with my head down. He uppercutting the shit out of my motherfucking ass. Put your head up. Put your head up, young nigga. 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 Whole time I'm feeling them bitches. Them bitches smacking. They smacking. Ooh, 4th, 5th, 6th jump. Ooh, damn. Them all smacking on my grandma. I come up, all I know is, man, lift your head up, young nigga. I done blacked out. On one hand, Kevin had now. But we going back and forth. We one-handing each other. The nigga who had the pod for 5, he was a rock man. He mopped the floors. He heard us going at it and ran to the cell. When he ran to the cell, all right, look at him. All right, that's enough. Y'all chill. He good. He said, what's up with him, little kitty? He said, yeah, that little bitch gonna fight. That bitch buzz my lip. He finna have to fight again in a minute. He gonna have to fight again. And Julio, nigga, from Owen, man, from Bainham, I'll never forget. Julio from Bainham. If you know Julio, if you know TV and Julio, you know I ain't lying. Julio said, man, we gonna call you Big 5 from now on. And from that day forward, y'all, don't y'all know, every 3, 4, 5 days, man, Kevin will just take off on me, cuz. I ain't bullshitting. And then, he always have some type of sermon behind it. Man, bro, I gotta keep you on your toes, P. You a young nigga, bro. Like, you a young, he was 18, I'm 5, but you a young nigga, you gotta stay on your toes, bro. Like, and from that moment on, couldn't no nigga whoop me.